So much happened on the internet this weekend and it's all connected, so we're gonna sum it up for you. It started out with Kanye versus Drake, where Kanye went on an 80-tweet rant saying how Drake threatened his family.
This led to Ariana Grande, who jokingly made fun of them because she and Miley had a new song coming out.
This pissed Kanye West off, and then he started talking about his mental health.
When then Pete Davidson stepped in and supported Kanye, which then had Ariana saying stop weaponizing mental health.
Then Pete Davidson posted a note on Instagram which raised concerns from people everywhere.
It was an extremely scary note, and basically then Ariana tweeted that she was showing up at 30 Rock if Pete wanted to talk to her.
Apparently, Pete Davidson refused to see Ariana Grande when she showed up at 30 Rock, but he saw his best friend, Machine Gun Kelly.
And we did get one small glimpse of Pete on SNL.
We hope that Pete is taking care of himself and is in a better place.
And to all these people who are trolling him, get the fuck out. What are you doing? You're hurting this man. Stop.
What is wrong with you?